So can you add or change your photo profile on your Breed app? Will you go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app? So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then all you have to do next, so you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this, and here you just click in this sign here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just click on it using the app. Then it's going to take you to select your photo profile from your device. Then it's going to add with you automatically on your Breed app. So that's all you have to do to add your photo profile. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.